Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English A. We were doing the exercise of unit number 5, the amazing planet. Let's start from exercise B2, page number 50. Visit your school library, read some information about climate change, note down some information in your notebook. Here I have some information for you about climate change. Let's read it out. Climate change means change in environmental conditions. The climate change has become a major global issue. Due to climate change, the temperature of the earth is rising. Deforestation and burning fossil fuels are main causes of global warming. If the global warming is not controlled, then the life on the earth will end soon. We should take following steps in this regard. Save electricity, save water, save natural resources, recycle the waste products, plant more trees, reduce the use of chemicals. Now collect your own information about climate change and write that information in your notebooks. If you want to add more information in this one, that's also fine. Next exercise is C. Language focus, vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. The first word is destroy. It means come to an end. Regret means feel sad. Realize means notice. Mope means despair. Come to next page. Here we are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are words with similar meanings. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. The exercise is read the given words with their synonyms and antonyms. The word is soft, its synonym is smooth and antonym is hard. Next word is cheer, its synonym is delight and antonym is sadness. The next word is pretty, its synonym is beautiful and antonym is ugly. The next word is stay, its synonym is stop and opposite is leave. The next word is joy. Its synonym is happiness and its antonym is sorrow. Now the next exercise is read the given text. Write synonyms and antonyms for the underlined words in your notebook. Write the synonyms and antonyms for the underlined words. The world is happy because the spring season is coming. Its synonym is glad and antonym is sad. The grass becomes soft and green. The synonym is tender and its opposite and antonym is hard. The garden presents a beautiful sight. The synonym of beautiful is pleasant and its antonym is ugly. The flowers are blooming everywhere in the spring. Blooming means growing and its antonym is withering. The birds are enjoying the spring and relishing is its synonym and disliking is its antonym. Next exercise is learning to spell. Rearrange the jumbled letters to make words and learn their spellings. These letters make cheer. These letters make window. These letters make every. These letters make world. And these letters make scene. Write them and learn their spellings. I hope you have understood today's lesson. Now complete your exercises and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.